Jordan Zubkoff. I am humbly asking for you to vote for Jeremy Zubkoff, or as I call him, Daddy, for County Court Judge in Group 5. Lots of people ask me, why should I vote for your daddy for judge? I will reply that there are certain qualities that a judge will need to be successful, a successful judge. First, a judge needs to be respectful. For example, you do not want to go into a courtroom and the judge does not respect the word you say. Second, you need a judge that can see both sides of a case, which he has. Sometimes when me and my brother Noah get into little fights at home, my dad listens to both sides of the case before making a decision. Third, you need someone to have the experience in court. A judge may have all the experience in the world, but if they don't care about the job, they may as well be the world. My dad has the experience, and he cares about his job and the people who comes into his courtroom. So you should vote by mail, vote early, vote on election day. Please vote for Jeremy Zubkoff for judge.
Yay! Thank you, Jordan. And I did not write that. My name is Jeremy Zubkoff, and I'm running for County Court Judge, Group number 5. A little bit about myself. I was born in New York. Any New Yorkers out here?
Yay!
Okay. But I grew up in California. You know, after the blizzard of '78, my parents decided they never wanted to see snow again, so they took us out west. Then I get asked, how does someone from California end up out in Florida? Well, for me, it was my Zadie, my grandfather, who was living out here. And when I was finishing law school, he got sick, so I moved out here to help him. I fell in love with Florida. I fell in love. I got married. I've got 3 beautiful children. My oldest son, Jordan, here. My middle son, Noah Zubkoff, who's right over here. And my youngest, Kobe. And my beautiful wife, Coral, she's standing in the back. A little bit about her. Coral's was a professional tennis player. She competed and medaled in the Maccabi Games. So, one of the great things about if you help me get elected as a judge, we'll both be working at courts. In terms of my legal career, I'm a civil litigator. I've done just about everything that you can imagine in civil litigation, ranging from condo law to maritime law, even wrongful death cases. I've tried over 80 cases. A lot of what I do is condo HOA litigation, which a great part about that is my clients sue people, but they also get sued. So half the time I'm representing the plaintiff, the other half the time I'm representing the defendant. So any given day, I'm looking at both sides of the case. So what do you really want from a judge? As Jordan had told you, someone that's fair, someone that's impartial, and I honestly believe I will be able to do that because I do it every single day. I look at both sides of every issue. Another great thing about being a condo HOA litigator is you learn to deal with difficult people. My typical clients like George Costanza's father from Seinfeld. Why is that important? Because I'm running for county court judge. That's the people's court. That's where people do not have lawyers. And they're often difficult to deal with. They don't know what they're doing. But I deal with difficult people every single day, so I'll be able to run an efficient courtroom. The other quality that you need from a judge is someone that's going to listen to people. The very best judges are the ones that give everybody the opportunity to be heard. Unfortunately, in most cases, someone has to win, somebody has to lose. But everyone will be given justice if they're given a fair opportunity to say what they want to say. I'd like to thank a few people that have helped me out here today. Aside from Jordan, who gave a wonderful speech, my son Noah, Kobe, my beautiful wife Coral, my father here is here, Howard, my mother Ann. They've been very helpful in getting this put together. So, I know early ballots are out, or the vote by mail is out. People have gotten your sample ballots. Anybody bring them here today? All right, I'm going to be the easiest person on the entire ballot to remember. I'm the very last person on the ballot. So, Zubkoff, you end up at the bottom of the list. So, again, I'm the easiest person to remember. Zubkoff, I may be last on the ballot, but hopefully I'll be first on your heart. I'm asking for your vote for Jeremy Zubkoff for County Court Judge, Group number 5. Thank you very much.